Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Vishakhapatnam? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Vishakhapatnam. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the finest coaching center for NEET preparation. It is completely online coaching and is spread across all over India. So, you should definitely try Toppers Academy once. If you wish to connect to the institute, you can do it by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank
Before
2,
moving to
we
our top
have
four
the Hindu
institutes,
Zone
I would like to
coaching.
mention about
the
one
Hindu Zone is the
institute, which
great
is
and
the
best
Hindu
platform
Zone.
for preparation
When you will
of
connect
NEET.
to the Hindu
You
Zone
can
by
connect
going
to
to
their
their
website,
website,
which
by
is
going to their website, which is
www.thehinduzone.com. They will provide you a completely
when you will
free
connect
of
to the
cost
institute,
counseling session.
they will provide
Yes,
you a
you heard it right.
completely free
The
of
Hindu
cost
Zone provides
counseling
a counseling session.
Yes,
and
you
that
heard it
too
right.
completely
A counseling
free of cost,
session will be
which is
provided to the
definitely
students,
a great
and
advantage
that
for the
too
students.
completely
So,
free
when
of cost.
student will
Hence,
call the institute
students
or
can
connect to
ask
them,
their queries
the
with
institute
expert mentors
regarding
will talk
which
to the
institute
students
will
and
be
will try
best
to
fit
solve
for
their
them
doubts according
and
to
also
their course.
will guide
Therefore,
them that
it is a
according to
great
their
platform
course,
and
which
opportunity for the
institution is
students
best for
who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. Career Launcher tries to focus on different segments of education across the learners of multiple age groups. It is led by a team of highly qualified professionals, including IIT IIM, with a passion for excellence in education. They enable individuals to figure out their potential and achieve their dreams. This is their core ideology. Further, they are strongly grounded in academic excellence, technological innovation, and domain expertise built over years. They work across a broad spectrum of segments in the education industry, including test preparation and vocational training. They also offer a 2-year classroom program for class 11 students for a more focused and better preparation of the exam. Moreover, it guides aspiring students to build their medical career with their conceptual knowledge, study methods, and mock tests. At rank 4, we have Resonance EduVentures. Resonance EduVentures is one of the best NEET coaching institutes in Vishakhapatnam. They have their best faculty for medical entrance exam preparation and also have led an educational movement which is dedicated to the modest cause of helping students across the country to make them succeed in their professional career like medical and engineering. They also give infinite dignity in personal and professional life. Their mission is to provide a comprehensive counseling that addresses the academic career development of all students. It provides an approach that is fully integrated and works with students to ensure quality learning and lifelong success. The lecture duration in this institute is of 90 minutes and there are 3 to 6 lectures in a week. These tests help students to prepare well and clear their doubts regarding the exam. The institute also provides topic-wise question bank which is divided into 2 parts, MQB1 for objective questions and MQB2 for subjective questions. At the end of MQBs, there is a miscellaneous exercise which is excellent for the students' practice. Now, let us talk about the features of the institute. So the very first is they have a provision for distance and e-learning courses. Number 2, they provide excellent study materials which are specifically designed for competitions. And number 4, their staffs are highly qualified and trained exceptionally. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Winx Coaching. Winx Coaching Institute in Vishakhapatnam provides tailor-made and comprehensive guidance for many competitive examinations, include NEET, IIT, JEE, BITSAT, etc. They have been playing an instrumental role in the success of the students aspiring for NEET and different other competitive examinations. Further, this coaching institute in Visakhapatnam has been producing top rankers in many competitive examinations since its inception in 1997. At this point of your career, apart from hard work and intelligence, another factor that would play a decisive role in your success is the right guidance by Winx, an instrument that empowers you to fulfill your dreams. Now, let us discuss some of the key features of the institute. So the very first is they provide with academically and physically healthy residential facilities. Number 2, mentoring system is also implemented that clears of communication gap between the teacher and the student as well as parent. They give special attention to slow learners to develop their academic progress. Number 4, it has a moderate fee structure so that every student can afford the fee. Number 5, they provide transportation facility for day scholars. And at last, proper emphasis on all-round personality development is also given to the aspirers in this institute. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Visakhapatnam. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutes and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.